The exception handling is a programming technique that allows the programmer to control errors caused during the execution and the computer program. When a certain type of error occurs, the system risks be executing a piece of code that resolves the situation. For example, we returning an error message or returning a default value.
Types of the sessions. Java sessions. Hide errors. A session array unknown situate the main occur during the sessions of applications. Arid main sessions. Array store sessions. Negative array system sessions. Number port sessions. E of E sessions. I of E sessions. 5 not found sessions, number 4 sessions. The cause session, hide the errors. 3. Block where the session can occur. Catch is the like delts of the tree. It is a head we ant sessions is tried in the tree block. Finally, block of the code that is output execute no matter is the try were errors or not. Throat. Throw in sessions. Throws determine with a session and met can't throw it.
Exception structure. In Java, exceptions are objects that derive from the exception class, and in turn, the exception class derives from the throwable class. Inside the try blocks, we will include the code that we want to execute. This code may or may not generate an exception, that we throw an exception if an error occurs. On the other hand, we can include as many catch blocks as we wish, indicating the type of exceptions that may occur. Also within this block, we can include an additional block that is not mandatory and is called finally blocks, which will be executed whether the exception occurs or not. Another thing to keep in mind is that when a method or function has to throw an exception, either because we want it to be that way, or because the method or function itself requires it, we can use following the method the reserved word throws next to the name, on the exception that we can the method or function to throw.
Best practice for exception handling. Try catch blocks. Enclose potentially error-prone code in try-catch blocks to gracefully handle exception and prevent crashes. Exception types. Choose appropriate exception types to accurately represent the nature of error and promote better handling. Exception hierarchy. Organize your exception in a hierarchical structure to provide better exception management and error reporting. Exception handling in object-oriented programming. Encapsulation of exception. Use encapsulation to exception details and provide a standardized way of handling errors within your class. Custom exception creation. Create custom exception tailored to your application specific needs, enhancing error identification and management, exception and inheritance. Leverage the power on inheritance to create exception hierarchies that allow for specialized handling of different types of error.